This will be a video tutorial on how to hide your date of birth on Twitter. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Twitter. To hide your date of birth on Twitter, the first thing you want to do is go over to the pane off to the left-hand side here, and you want to click on Profile. Now in the center pane here, you want to go up and click on Edit Profile. Then you will scroll down toward the bottom, and right by your date of birth, you want to click on Edit. And then you'll click on Edit again. And in this new dialog box here, you want to scroll down. And in the birth date area, it allows you to change your birthday. You can change the month, the day, or the year of your birthday. And below that, who sees this? You can control who sees your birthday on Twitter. It allows you to control the month and day and also the year. For the month and day, you would click the little drop down here. And you can choose if you want your birthday to be public, if only your followers can see it, people you follow, people where you follow each other, or only you. Only you would be making it private. And the year, you could also hide the year of your birthday. You just click the little drop down here, and it's the same options. Do you want the year of your birthday to be public for only your followers, for people that you follow, for people that follow each other, or only you? Only you would be private. That's what I have mine set to, only you. And then you'd go up to the top here and click on Save. That is how you hide your date of birth on Twitter. Thanks for watching.